Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this makeup that I'm doing for a formal that I'm going to on Friday. I kept it really simple because I feel like for like events and stuff like this, like you want to events. Who do I think I am? Like formals or like prom or something, you want to keep it like a little lighter on the makeup because it doesn't really photograph well if you're doing like a smoky eye or something. And you don't want to take the attention away from like your dress. I am going to be putting on lashes on Friday for this formal, but I don't want to do that right now. Sorry. So I didn't. But you can totally not wear lashes because the makeup's so light that like it still looks good with no lashes. My hair looks purple right now. I know. It's from my purple shampoo. I need to relax with it. But if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. We've been getting like a lot of subscribers recently and I really am loving it. So yeah, subscribe. Look how ratchet my nails are. I'm a mess. But anyway, let's just, you know, get on to the video because you probably want to kill me when I talk so long. Okay, bye. It's really like so annoying when people do their makeup with their hair all on their face. How do you do that? I just moisturized with my little mini Curology moisturizer. I got this with my own money and this thing literally lasted like not even a week and it's already out, and I did literally one pump every night. Like that doesn't make sense, but whatever. It was the free trial, so I can't really complain, but I am complaining. But anyway, now I'm just gonna be taking my e.l.f. illuminating face primer. Ooh, that looks disgusting. Okay. Sorry I look so ugly right now. I just don't have an explanation. Next, for my face, I'm going to be taking my IT Cosmetics CC cream in the shade medium. This stuff obviously isn't that full coverage, but I like to do like a more light coverage all over my face and then do like a thicker concealer and just put that places where I need more coverage because I find that you don't get cakey that way, and obviously that is the key. First, just putting this on with a brush. I'm just gonna go over my whole face with my Real Techniques sponge and it's damp. And then I'm going to be taking my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye concealer because it's really thick and I love it. And then I'm gonna blend that out. And I'm also gonna bring that onto my eyelids as a primer. And then taking my beauty blender, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder in the shade Fair 05, and I'm going to be baking. And then I'm also just gonna be setting like my eyelids with that as well. This stuff is great because it's so affordable, but it gives you no flashback. And next I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia Contour Kit, and I'm taking this shade right here. And I'm using this brush from MAC, the 460 SE. It's from the Mariah Carey thing, I think. From last year or 2 years ago, something. And I'm also putting it on my jaw. And I'm also putting it like right here. Try to make my face look skinnier. Then I'm just gonna blend it a little, start to wipe off the bait. I think a spider bit me last night on my face because it's either that or coincidentally 2 pimples. I'm really hoping they're just pimples. I'm also just gonna be taking a really small like pencil brush and putting some of that contour on it and putting it under my lip. So our lip looks a little more pouty. And also on the sides of my nose, It's so dark out already and it's literally 3:15. Guys, what the heck? I hate daylight savings or whatever, daylight, I don't know which one it is. Next, I'm taking this yellow shade and putting that under my eyes for more coverage and to cover those spider bites because they clearly didn't want to go away. I'm also just going to be mixing the banana shade and like this whiter shade, not the shimmery one, the matte one, just like a little bit. And putting that under my contour just to make it a little more clean, you know. And I'm putting that on my nose so we can blend out the nose contour a little better. Now, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I know you're like, can you settle down? I don't care. I'm going to put this on my cheeks too because I want to look bronzy. I'm telling you, Party by Tarte, the one that you get in like your birthday thing this year, is like the best blush shade ever because it goes with everything. But I don't think they sell it like its own. Maybe they do on their website, but I don't know why they would be like, here's birthday present, and then once you run out you can't get it again. That'd be really mean. I'm going to be moving on to my eyes now. I'll come back to highlight and stuff after. Anastasia Orange Soda, and I'm going to be putting that as like my transition. Burnt Orange from Anastasia, just to like deepen that up a bit. And then I'm just going to take a clean brush and blend out the edges of that. And then I'm going to be going into my Carly Bible palette. ASMR. But you can't get this anymore. But I'm sure you can find colors that look like it, so don't worry about that. I'm going to be taking this orangey shade right here. I don't want, they're all going to fall out if I push it too far, you know? Dropped it too many times. And then I'm going to be taking this brown right here. Yeah. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner kind of, but like I'm not gonna bring it into my crease. And then I'm gonna take this like darker brown, that one right there, it's like cool tone, and put that over top of that so it's darker. And then I'm going to be taking this highlighter shade. I might put a little bit of this after, but I want to start with this because, you know, I don't want to ruin it. I feel like maybe if I go in with my finger, this is gonna be better. Oh yeah, go in with your finger. And then that's it for the top of my eyes. And then I'm gonna take that orange shade that I use in the Carly palette because it's the darkest and put that under my eyes. And then I'm gonna take that really dark brown that we used and put that like on the outer part right there. Okay, and then in the Carly Bible palette, again, I'm gonna just take that gold shade, the lighter one, and highlight my brow bone and my nose, and then I'm gonna highlight my face with it too. I'm gonna put a mascara, obvi. If you're putting on lashes, if I was gonna put on lashes right now, I'd probably just do a really thin line of eyeliner, just so the lash band and like the glue and everything will blend easier. While I'm in between coats of mascara, I'm going to use this clear Maybelline Great Lash and just set my eyebrows so they don't move. That is my mascara done after 12 years. Moving on to my lips. I'm just gonna like wipe off the chapstick I put on. And we all know I don't like putting on liquid lips because they make my lips look like wrinkly. My lips are super like small So I just, you know, it's just not a good look. I like lip gloss. I don't really like matte lips, so do what you want with your lips, but this is what I'm doing. So I'm first just gonna line with like this nude pink lipstick, and it's from BH Cosmetics, and it's called Stripped. I don't know if they sell this. I got it so long ago. It's tiny, but yeah. And then I'm going to be going over it with a pink lipstick. It's called Angel from MAC, and it's like really light pink. There's a little bit of sparkle. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of that on. And then I'm going to be using lip gloss. This is Fenty Beauty, the Gloss Bomb one. Like the original. I love lip gloss. It's so impractical because it doesn't stay on when you're like sipping and eating and stuff, but it's okay. Just bring it with you and reapply. But anyway, now I'm just gonna set my face, and guys, I used to use the Urban Decay setting spray, and then I was using the NYX one for a while, but then I was like, what could really be the difference in these setting sprays? Because they all smell the same, which is weird to me. So they must not be that far off from each other, you know? So I got the e.l.f. one, and it was literally like $4, I think, or something like that. Something so cheap, and it smells the exact same as all of them, and it works the exact same. So don't be breaking your bank no more. Get the e.l.f. one. Set your face with that. I'm not gonna, because again, I'm not keeping this on. But final look, I guess. It's really simple, but I feel like you don't want to go too over the top for like formal makeups, because you don't want to take the attention away from like your dress. And I'm also gonna curl my hair for it. I'm not gonna keep it straight, but I think it would look good either way. You also really don't need lashes with this look. Obviously, if you want to be extra, like I am gonna be, and go like the extra step, then put on lashes, but you really don't need them. I think it looks good without it because it's so natural, and like, yeah, if it was anything like darker or anything, I would say put on lashes, but like you really don't need lashes, so don't waste your time. This is my look that I'm gonna wear on Friday. If you guys have winter formals, or you know, are watching this at a later date for like prom or something, I hope it helped you. I'm sorry I look so washed out on camera, but I promise it doesn't look like this in person, so don't judge me. I'll see you guys in my next video, which I'm probably gonna be wearing the same outfit because I'm gonna film it like right now. So bye.